Mommy.
Yes, dear.
What's for dinner?
I have no idea.
Can we have spaghetti?
Great. Spaghetti. Let's get to work.
Cookie with mommy. Cookie with mommy. Spaghetti.
So, I'm going to add the sausage.
It's a sausage still. Mom, what's this?
This is dry tofu.
Mom, what's
flavor
this?
soup base. This is chicken flavor. You know what this is? Sauce. Curry. We had a little tomato paste. We mixed all together. Add our bun, onion, sausage.
I think we could burn.
When your onions is burnt, it makes the food taste different.
Ooh. Put the spring
First,
onion.
the spring onions. Yeah, adding that syrup. Look at that. Oh my God.
Oh my god.
That's a bit of it.
Oh my gosh.
This is really very tasty.
Who's
Do you want this?
Yes.
Who want fish?
Right? Yeah. Right.
And give me more.
Hi!
And give me more.
Her.
More love.
Mommy.
Here, Dad.
Thank you.
You're welcome.